coral. Another piece. Daddy, there's a bunch of fire coral. Please help me. No, they're fire coral. Okay, that's a sponge. Sponge, sponge, sponge. Wait, Will. This one's not. Me? Ooh, clam. Yeah. Mommy, we found a conch shell. A clam.
Can't take the conch.
Can you take clams? There's nothing in the clams, so I'm in it. Yeah, no. But if they're open, if they're not open, maybe.
Walk out that trap?
Yeah. We're only like 100 yards from. We're only 100 yards. I'm stepping one step and my foot is like yellow. But Daddy, my heel is turned yellow. I stepped on something and it turned my heel yellow.
Alright, well, let's go see if there's anything in the trap over there.
Do we have to? Some crab. Some crab. Is it some crab even?
No. Are they pretty?
Yeah.
Look at that. It's a keys conch. Huh?
What was it? May not be that much behind you.
What's that?
Coral.
Coral. Yeah, that's it.
They don't know that. I'm gonna stick it in here.
No, don't do that. Alright, you wanna walk towards? Let's walk towards the thing. What's this over here we got?
Ah! Big miniature fish.
An old cooler. Anything in it?
Yeah.
Nope.
There's nothing in there.
Here's sand.
Look at me, boys. We're going to the... I want to go on the beach again. What are these, like, holes? Crabs? No, they're like...